6 months since we last shot the pot about nothing. 3 months since I heard from the Reggolution. Word around town is he's gone completely off the grid and he's located somewhere in this forest. 2020 has been rough on us all, so who can blame him? I can.
Reggolution! 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 I don't blame you for leaving! Yes, I do! It's your fault!
Aye! Ah! What are you doing? What exactly are you doing?
I'm meditating! I'm not here! This is not 2020, I'm 2021
We don't have time for meditation right now. The world is in shambles and we need to get back to work.
Silence! 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 2020 is too horrific. I want out. Now leave me! Before.
So what's it gonna take for you to come back?
Nothing! Nothing at all.
Well, you know what? That's too bad. Because I got some Cokes and some Chick-fil-A in the car, and I was thinking that you...
Stop! Say no more, man. Like, you had me at Chick-fil-A.
Okay.
Like, you know what? Like, it's painful sitting like this. I hate sitting like this on this damn rock. Should have said that at the beginning.
Okay, ready to go back and do the show?
Obviously. Give me my Walker prize.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.